Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable to continue playback after seeking in the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen. Go to the settings section, click to the preferences option, and in the second section, the advanced, you can find the continue playback after seeking option. New, if you want to use this function, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. But if you want to turn off, click that again, and that's it. So simple. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.